How to fix Microsoft Store not disabling in Windows 11 10s. 1. Upgrade your system to Windows 10 Pro v1511. Then enable turn off the Store application. Group policy setting at computer configuration administrative templates Windows Components Store turn off the Store application and user configuration administrative templates Windows Components Store turn off the Store. Note, this option applies to both Windows 10 Enterprise and Windows 10 Education editions only.